Hi, this is Dr. Oxendine. I'm your instructor for English 106 College Writing. As the comedian Joan Rivers used to say, can we talk? That's what I want to do for the next few minutes. I just want to speak with you and let you know what this course is about and how together we can work it to your advantage. English 106 is probably one of the most important courses you will be taking this year, simply because of the fact every paper that you write in every course that you take depends on things that you will learn in this course. So I encourage you, let's take it step by step, time by time, exactly as it is laid out for you. Don't try to get ahead, and by all means, do not get behind. You see, this course is divided into 7 different units. And within each unit, there is a brief introduction to you in what is known as the Learning Management System, or the LMS. This is where you get all of your instructions and do all of your work. And in this course, there are going to be different kinds of assignments. There are going to be outside reading assignments. There are going to be threaded discussions where you will write your opinion and then respond to others as they have written. And some of these major writing courses may carry over into another unit, but just follow directions, take your time, and you should have no problems whatsoever. Now, notice we have 2 textbooks. The first is the Pocket Wordsworth Handbook, and the second is the Contemporary Reader. You will have assignments from both of these books. So it is very important when day 1 comes that you have these handbooks and these readers on hand. Now, there will be posted readings, so again, take your time, do the work. Now, there are 3 major writing assignments in this course, so it's not possible to master this course without doing those assignments. So remember, all of these things work together. Unit 1, Unit 2, they're all based on things that you are learning and that you will be learning in subsequent units. So let me give you some key information, if you will. First of all units should be submitted in the specified time frame. And that time frame should be understood as Eastern time. So wherever you are, if you need to make adjustments, adjust it to Eastern time, because after a certain time, many of those, assignments will not be accepted. And it's very important you understand the nature of an online course. It's the same as attending class. Absences are marked by the fact that you don't do assignments on time. So let me ask you, on a daily basis, check your course messages. Be sure to understand in each unit, if it says day 1 of this unit, that's when the course assignment is due. If it says day 3, you will understand that's when it's due. Now, each week begins on Tuesday, so day 1 is Tuesday, day 2 is Wednesday, day 3 is Thursday, and so forth throughout. So during this 7-week format, it is so important. Keep up. Do not get behind, because once you get behind, many assignments cannot be accepted. It's important for you to keep in touch with me as well. If you need to get in touch, you can call me always between 7 a.m., 10 p.m. You can call me at 704-905-6768. Now understand, I do teach some on-campus courses, so there may be times I can't answer, but I promise I will get back to you. Also, if you want to email me, you can email me at soxendine, Oxendine, at leeuniversity.edu. Or you can email me at sammyoxendine@gmail.com. So anytime you're emailing me, remember your subject, just put ENGL 106 and then college writing, and I'll know who you are. So again, thank you for taking this time to listen to me. And anytime you need me, call me, text me, email me, and I'll get back as soon as possible. Let's have a good semester. God bless you so very much. I am so glad you're in this class, and I hope that we can sincerely learn together.